What's up, guys? This is Jordan.
I'm Caden.
What's up? I'm Reese.
We're going to be doing a monster truck tug of war challenge today. Best out of 3. I'm the orange truck. Caden's the blue truck. The loser has to get slapped in the face by a peanut butter tortilla.
So first, I'm the blue truck, Jordan's the orange truck, and we're going to be seeing if the green army gets past this line or this line. If he gets past my line, then I win. If he gets past Jordan's line, then Jordan wins. Winner gets to slap the other person in the face with the peanut butter tortilla. Twice, baby. Let's
Go!
5!
Go!
Yeah! 5!
All right, Caden's the winner!
Yeah, baby! Let's go!
All right, guys, round 2. Are you guys ready?
Sure, let's go.
Okay, go!
Yeah, baby! Oh, no!
Jordan wins!
Let's go.
Final round. Go! Jordan wins!
Let's go!
Let's go, guys. I'm so happy I won. Thank you for my friends, my family, my fans for all coming out to watch this. Let's go. Let's get started. I'm going to slap this peanut butter tortilla all over this boy's face. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. You ready?
Yeah. Hit me! Ow.
You got anything to say?
No, but revenge is coming for you.